If you're building AI automations with N8N, you're probably paying way more than you need to. Most people are stuck on N8N Cloud at $24 per month with limited workflows and execution caps. But there's a smarter way to run N8N that costs a fraction of that price while giving you unlimited everything. I'm talking about self-hosting N8N, and it's way easier than it sounds. By the end of this video, you'll have your own N8N server running 24/7 for around $5 a month with zero restrictions on workflows or executions. And the best part is you don't need to be a tech expert to get this running. Now, before we dive in, let me be clear about what we're doing. N8N is totally free since it's open source software, but if you want it running 24/7, you'll need a server, and that's the part that costs money. The good news is that hosting costs way less than N8N's cloud subscription, and you get way more control. I've been using this exact setup for months now to automate everything from content workflows to lead generation, and it's saved me hundreds of dollars. So first, let's talk about why self-hosting makes sense. N8N offers a cloud service that starts at $24 per month for their starter plan, which gives you limited workflow executions and basic features. If you want more power, their Pro plan jumps to $60 per month. Now compare that to self-hosting, where you're paying around $5 to $6 per month for a VPS, which is a virtual private server, and you get unlimited workflows, unlimited executions, and complete control over your data. The problem most people run into is that self-hosting sounds more complicated than it actually is. You might think you'd have to spend days setting up servers, handling command lines, and fixing technical issues. That's where Hostinger changes everything. They've got a one-click N8N install that gets you running in minutes, not hours or days. You get all the cost savings and unlimited features of self-hosting, but with the simplicity of a managed service. It's honestly the best of both worlds. By the way, if you want to follow along, use my link in the description with my code Thomas10. This way, you'll save an extra 10% on top of their already low prices. Think about it this way. If you're serious about automation and you plan to build multiple workflows like automating emails, social media, lead generation, and data processing, you'll run into those cloud limits really fast. And then you're either upgrading to a pricier tier or stressing about how many executions you've got left. With self-hosting, that stress just disappears. You can build as many workflows as you want, run them as often as you need, and never think twice about hitting a cap. Alright, let's actually set this up. Head over to Hostinger using my link in the description. Once you're there, you'll see different VPS plans designed specifically for N8N hosting. Now, I recommend the KVM2 plan, and I'll tell you why. You get 2 CPU cores, 8 gigs of RAM, and 100 gigs of storage, which is easily enough to run a lot of AI agents and automations together. The KVM1 plan could work if you're just starting out with simple workflows, but the KVM2 gives you room to scale as your automations get more advanced. And unlike N8N's cloud plan, you get unlimited bandwidth, which lets your agents process as much data as they want without running into limits. I've tried running a bunch of AI agents at once on this plan, and it handles them all with zero lag or issues. So I'll click choose plan on the KVM2 option. Now, for the billing period, I'm going with the 24-month plan because the value is insane when you lock in this price. But I'd recommend selecting at least 12 months to get the best rate. The longer you commit, the more you save per month. And since you're going to be using this for automation anyway, it makes sense to lock in the lower price now. Next, make sure to click have a coupon code and enter Thomas10 for that extra 10% discount on top of the already reduced price. This stacks with the existing discount, so you're getting the absolute best deal possible. Every little bit helps when you're trying to keep your costs down. One important thing to check is that N8N is selected as the operating system. If you clicked my link, it should already be selected automatically, but just double check to make sure. You'll spot it in the operating system section, and it'll say N8N right there. If for some reason it's not selected, just choose N8N from the list. This is what makes the whole process so simple, because Hostinger has already done all the technical setup work for you. Now, you just add your billing info and check out. What you're getting is your own private automation server that runs all day, every day, and it costs way less than N8N Cloud. Once you click the checkout button, Hostinger starts setting up your server in the background. It only takes a few minutes, so you won't be waiting long. Once your payment processes, you'll land in the Hostinger dashboard. And what's cool is that N8N is already installed and configured for you. No command lines, no complicated setup, it's just ready to go. In your Hostinger dashboard, you'll see your server hostname and details. Everything is laid out clearly, so you can see exactly what you're working with. To access your N8N instance, just click on the Manage button, and it'll take you directly to your N8N login page. The first time you visit, N8N will ask you to create an admin account. This is your personal automation server, completely private and secure. Enter your email and create a strong password. After you finish the setup, you'll be inside your own N8N instance. Just like that, you've got the same powerful automation platform that big companies use, running on your own server with no monthly fees. Take a moment to look around the interface. You'll see the workflow area in the middle and a sidebar on the left with all your tools. It's pretty easy to get the hang of once you start clicking around. Now that you're inside N8N, let me show you how to actually start building automations. The fastest way to get started is by importing pre-built templates from the N8N community. These are workflows that other creators have already built and tested, so you don't have to start from scratch. Open a new tab and go to n8n.io. Then click on Templates in the top menu. You'll see hundreds of pre-built workflows for different use cases. For this example, let's search for something practical. I'll type in email automation, and you'll see templates for things like client onboarding and generate and research sales leads. Pick any template that interests you, and when you click on it, you'll see exactly what the workflow does. To import this into your N8N instance, just click Use for Free and then copy to clipboard. Now go back to your N8N instance, click Create Workflow and paste it in. Just like that, the complete automation is loaded with all the nodes connected together. Click any node that needs authentication, select Create New Credential and add your API key. Once you've added your credentials, click Save, and that credential is available across all your workflows. Now you're ready to test your workflow. Click Execute Workflow at the bottom and N8N will run through every step and show you the results. You can click on each node to see exactly what data it processed. If something doesn't look right, you can adjust the settings or modify the data flow. Once you're happy with how the workflow runs, look at the top right corner where it says inactive and toggle that switch to active. Now your workflow is live and running 24/7 on your VPS. And because you're self-hosting, there are no execution limits, no workflow caps, nothing holding you back. You can create as many workflows as you want. You could have one for customer questions, one for reports, one for posting on social media, and another for backups. They all run on their own, and you never have to worry about limits or extra charges. So now you know how to run N8N for a fraction of the cost while getting unlimited workflows and executions. With Hostinger's one-click setup, you can have your own N8N server running in under 10 minutes without any technical difficulties. And you're not paying $24 or $50 per month for limited features, you're paying around $5 for complete freedom. If you want to start building unlimited AI automations without worrying about subscription costs, use the link in the description and enter code Thomas10 at checkout for that extra discount. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.